Welcome back to Jeremy. One more CKA exam question series. The question says we need to verify the cert manager application which is running in our cluster, and we need to list the CRDs of the cert manager application, and these we need to save it into a resource.aml file. And the condition here, we need to make sure the kubectl default output format, we don't want to set any other format. Okay, simply you can just use the kubectl get CRDs and just save it to the resource.aml file. It does not require any format need to be set. And the next one is, using the same kubectl command, we need to extract the documentation for the subject specification field of the certificate custom resources. These custom resources, and these need to be saved into a subject.aml file. Okay, here we need to extract a specific field of this custom resource. Here it is, and we can use any output format that supports for the kubectl commands. Okay, that is it. Okay, let's start our practical task now. So the first part says we need to get the list of cert manager CRDs and we need to save it to the resource.aml file. So kubectl get CRDs, and you can just simply grep with the cert manager. Okay, cert manager. Yeah, these are the CRDs available for cert manager. Just save this one into resource.aml file as asked. Okay, if you want, you can just verify that. Okay, so yeah, that's clear. And we have not mentioned any specific output format. We just left so the default output format, it is saved. And the second part of this question is again, we need to use the kubectl command just to extract the documentation part of documentation for the subject specific field in the certificate CRD, and that one we need to save it to the subject.aml file. Okay, for this you can use any default you can use any output format that kubectl supports, right? Okay, cool. Let's move on. Kubectl get CRD hyphen. No, we will just grab certificate. Yeah, so in the question it is mentioned that certificate custom resource. Yeah, so you can see that this is the cert manager's certificates CRD. What we will do, we will use the kubectl and the explain command. We'll just describe with explain, and we will use the spec.subject field. That is what we need to extract, and we need to save it to the file, right? So explain this one, and the spec.subject. So that is what we are interested in. So I think, yeah, we need to change certificates dot spec dot subject. So that will explain. Yeah, this is what the subject part of the CRD, right? So same we need to just save into our okay, so if you can check this, same content will be available in this file. We need to just extract the subject of the spec part of the subject, that is That's what it looks like of this certificate, right? That's what mentioned in the question as well. So by using kubectl, we need to extract documentation for the spec field of subject in this certificate CRD, and we need to save it to subject.yml file. And you can use any output format. We have not used any format, so there is no issue with that. I can just go with the default format. Yeah, I think that's it for this question, and stay tuned for another important questions of CKA exam series. Hope you like it. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment over. I'm happy to answer, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like. Thank you. Bye for now.